guys, so respond to the microphone. So we're gonna make this slime like so quickly. So we're gonna shop like this ball para mag-ano kayo. Tapos magbili kayo sa mama penis or dad. So magbili kayo ng penis mo, mom or dad. So or sister. So bili ka na sa penis mo, ano gusto mong bibili. So like me, binili ko to like this slime. So somebody just do this for me. So gusto mo ako magaganto, guys. So I'm gonna choose this, my true mom. So malinis lang ko. Okay guys. So I'm gonna do this. So 6, 7. Okay, we're gonna do this. Like that. We need some like this, so some this to sabi 6, 7. I'm a big fan for everyone, so tingnan mo. So I make it this video para manano ako, palagayahin ako ginagawa nila. So ganito yung ginawa ko, like that. So I put here like that cheese. So we need some more or uubusin na yan. Ubusin natin yung oras. Ubus na yung oras. Some here, we need some cut. This. Okay, some here. Buksan natin to. Look, that slime is buksan. So guys, mamaya tayo muna. So guys, pagkatapos na to, like to subscribe. Wag mo nilimutan, lalaro ako ng Roblox. Tapos pipicturean ko. Bye!